Welcome back to another video, and this is going to be the last MLR trip ever we'll probably see on the channel. The reason why is that even though the official date of the MLR retirement is one day, as I'm filming this, today is May 5th, 2022. The official retirement date is May 6th, but the problem is the timing is like 1 p.m. with the train from Hong Kong to Sha Tin, so I can't make it because my school I end at 1:30, so yeah, I can't make it. So, but unless if that day has a afternoon rush hour special train that is an MLR, then I will do it. I'll live stream on it. So I'm just gonna give you guys this journey from Kong MTR East.
Next station, MKK。乘小心空隙及留意月台與車廂地面嘅高低，請小心空氣，並留意月台與車廂地面的高低。Please mind the gap and be aware of the difference in level between the platform and the train。乘小心空隙及留意月台與車廂地面嘅高低，請小心空氣，並留意月台與車廂地面的高低。Please mind the gap and be aware of the difference in level between the platform and the train.
Now arrived at MKK East. Oh, there's a lot of railway enthusiasts out there, alright. That's quite a lot, not gonna lie. So, well, I'm just gonna end this video here, just a quick journey to tell you guys. So, hopefully you guys enjoy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. There are more MLR videos on this channel, so hopefully you guys will watch that. And I'll see you guys next time.